Want to know how to use Folk CRM for upselling and drive more value from your current customers? Stick around, because in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how Folk CRM can help you identify upsell opportunities and improve your customer relationships. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Folk CRM's features to increase revenue without feeling like you're pushing sales too hard. And just so you know, you can try this software completely free with an exclusive bonus available through the first link below. You'll want to stay until the end because I'm going to share some tips on how you can maximize your experience with this CRM, and trust me, it's something you don't want to miss. Let's jump right in. Folk CRM is designed to streamline your customer management while helping you build stronger, more personalized relationships. If you're new to Folk CRM, it's a powerful tool that makes it simple to track all customer interactions and manage your contacts seamlessly. This makes it perfect for upselling because it gives you a comprehensive view of each customer's history, interests, and potential needs. First, Folk CRM lets you organize your customer data into highly customizable segments. That means you can easily create groups based on different criteria, whether it's past purchase behavior, interests, or even life cycle stage. When you can see your customers' previous buying habits, it's much easier to spot the right moment to offer an upsell. Imagine you're tracking a customer who bought a basic product. With Folk CRM, you can see if they've interacted with products related to premium offerings and reach out at the right time with a targeted offer. Another key feature of Folk CRM for upselling is its automation. You can set up workflows that automatically send personalized emails or messages based on specific triggers. For example, after a customer makes a purchase, you can send them an upsell email a week later, featuring products or services that complement their original purchase. This takes a lot of the manual work out of the equation, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. The CRM also integrates easily with other tools, allowing you to pull data from your email, sales, and support systems. This means you can track interactions across multiple touchpoints. If a customer is asking questions about a product, you can make sure to follow up with them about an upgrade when the time is right, using the data collected from those touchpoints to personalize your message. Now let's talk about tagging and notes, which is another huge benefit when using Folk CRM for upselling. Every interaction with a customer can be tagged and noted, so you can keep track of any particular interests or special requests they might have. Let's say you had a conversation with a client about upgrading their service, but they weren't ready at the time. You can note that in Folk CRM, so when they come back in a few months, you can pick up right where you left off, offering a tailored upsell that feels personal and relevant. It's these little details that make all the difference in creating a successful upselling strategy. Folk CRM's robust features give you a detailed view of customer behavior, making it easier to time your offers perfectly and increase your conversion rates. Now, don't forget, as you're using these strategies, Folk CRM helps you measure results by tracking metrics like conversion rates, customer responses, and upsell success rates. This gives you insights that allow you to tweak and improve your upselling approach over time. So, to wrap things up, using Folk CRM for upselling is all about leveraging your customer data, automating personalized interactions, and making sure your offers align with what the customer actually wants. If you haven't already, you can try Folk CRM for free with our exclusive bonus offer by clicking the first link below. I promise you, this is a tool that can make a huge difference in your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial to get started today.